Hello, and welcome once again to Audiology and Hearing Aids of the Palm Beaches. My name is Dana Luzon, and I'm a licensed doctor of audiology in one of Palm Beach's only Audiology certified practices, and I'm here to tell you more about my practice's commitment to serving your hearing care needs. At Audiology and Hearing Aids of the Palm Beaches, my commitment to providing you an unsurpassed hearing care experience begins the moment you contact our practice and continues for as long as you're in my care. During your initial appointment, we will assess and evaluate the hearing and communication difficulties you are facing. Once we've gained an understanding of the world through your ears, we'll administer the necessary diagnostic exams required to accurately determine the degree of hearing loss you may be experiencing. After the appropriate tests have been completed, I will sit down with you to discuss your test results in detail. We believe an educated patient is an empowered patient, and the better you understand the nature of your hearing loss, the better we can effectively collaborate to alleviate the effects of your hearing loss. Together, we will examine the various treatment solutions and rehabilitation options available for your specific type of hearing loss and how they apply to your desired hearing and communication goals and unique listening lifestyle. At Audiology and Hearing Aids of the Palm Beaches, our goal is to meet and exceed your expectations through compassionate, friendly, and comprehensive approaches to hearing health care. Call Audiology and Hearing Aids of the Palm Beaches today to make better hearing a part of your everyday life.